So I'm back with another video on the channel Padma Ki Kahani, Mishta Ki Zubani, and this is probably the fifth video. Okay, so this video is one of my favorites because this video is about Padma Jai's pros and cons. Whom are we kidding? Everybody or everything has a pro and con list, so let's make it for Padma. Okay, so if I talk about Padma, number one pro would be, and I'm only going with the pros first because it's her birthday. So the number one pro will be that she is very, very, very helpful. I mean, you call her at any time of the day and night. She'll pick up. She'll solve your problem. So I have like a personal Aladdin. Okay. Number two. The second pro, as I have already, repeatedly repeated in my previous videos, that she is a person who likes, holding on to people and carrying them along her entire life, the people whom she loves. That is a very, 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 exclusive virtue and very, rare nature that you find in people, and that is something that is simply wow, because even I as an individual am not able to do such thing. So I really appreciate her for that. Okay, third pro is she's very, very caring. She's very supportive, caring, inspiring, and all those ing words, because bro, she's just there, even if she has to go out of her way to care or be there for someone she loves or some of her loved ones, even if it's not a loved one, even if it's a human being, an animal, she will go out of her way to be there for that individual. So I feel that is a very rare virtue, and I mean that's wow. Next, it's that she just makes everyone feel special in the smallest ways. I mean, right now she's not like in a relationship, but that person whom she'll get in a relation with is like both lucky as well as unlucky. Why he's unlucky, I hope it's he. So I wouldn't go into why that person would be unlucky, but why that person would be lucky, because you will make that person, or Padma will make that person feel the most special individual, the most special human being on the face of earth, and that's a guarantee. 4 is a friendship. If something I have learned from it, if there's something that it has taught me, is that Padma can make anyone and everyone feel special. And this I'm talking about like normal people, so just think about people who she greatly and immensely loves. Fifth pro of Padma is that Padma is like a die-hard perfectionist. I mean, sometimes it gets annoying, the level of perfection she likes. I mean, quite a lot of annoying. I mean, कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो जाता है कभी-कभी, because she is like constantly pestering you to tell her imperfections so that she can improve on them, and that is again a very nice, very, 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 very nice quality. So ये हो गए 5 pros. अब हम आते हैं 5 cons पे. First, she is like over invested into anything. I mean, she'll make a राई का पहाड़ of everything. मतलब एक चीज़ का 2 चीज़ के नहीं, सारी चीज़ों को वो राई का पहाड़. Second, what happens often is that whenever she feels that she's not the center of attraction of the people whom she loves, whom she's quite invested in, it hurts her a bit. And I feel that being that sensitive, or the word is that oversensitive, is something that is going to harm you in the long run. Third, she keeps a lot of expectations from you. even though she wouldn't agree to this, even on like the slightest of the percentage, but I feel that she has quite a lot of expectations from people, and she herself feels bad for keeping them from people, but she cannot help it as such. But yeah, that is one of her cons. Fourth is that sometimes what happens is Padma becomes insecure about herself. When I say this, it's because she starts maybe leveling herself with someone else, or maybe she starts seeing a quality that is present in someone else as a quality that she desires, even though not wholly by her entire heart, but because she likes that particular quality in an individual, she wants to have that. And when she isn't able to, then there's like an a bit of insecurity there, but ठीक है, चलता है. And the fifth con is that she is such a big irritating person. I mean, how can someone be so irritating, so annoying? I mean, bro, यार उसको समझ नहीं आता है. She keeps doing like this. I don't like it, bro. फिर भी she does not understand it at once, bro. ये इतनी irritating है यार, मैं क्या बताऊँ. And whenever I call her, मतलब जब भी बात होती है ना, she feels like यार मतलब छोटी सी आएगी, ये छोटा सा होने, बट यार मेरे को बोलना था, ठीक है. एंड बट यार मतलब निष्ठा अच्छे से बोल, मतलब यार मेरे को नहीं बोलना है यार. So yeah, that is one of her faults. She makes me do things that I don't like. So I feel that suffices this video, and now कुछ बोलूँगी तो मेरे YouTube के साथ गलत व्यवहार किया जा सकता है. So इसलिए bye bye, meet you in the next video.